Been in business about 7 years. Joined Trade Mastermind beginning of last summer, I think it was. The maintenance stuff that we was doing was sort of coming to an end, and we had to look to see where we was going to take the business in the future. Since then, it's just opened our mind to all sorts of business. We've just finished probably our best financial quarter, where we've kind of tripled the turnover from the quarter that we started Trade Mastermind. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. So we're now fitting regularly 15 plus boilers a month. When we started Trade Mastermind, we'd fitted 16 that year. So we're doing 12 times the amount of boilers that we was before we started. The impact it's had on the business has been really positive. It's taken us in a complete direction. It definitely feels like we're doing the right thing, and it's just opened my mind to lots of different elements of business. Probably the most valuable parts of the academy is the networking, for sure. The morale, just coming here once a month just is a massive boost in morale, and the in-person, switching the phone off, focusing on what you're doing is definitely the way forward. Definitely recommend Trade Mastermind to people that don't have businesses near me.